Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart or reboot your Roborock Saros Z70. If you're interested in the Z70 or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, identify the power button right here. This is what we're going to use to power cycle this off and then back on. This is completely different from a factory reset where it's going to wipe all your data and you have to re-add it to your account. This is just a simple reboot or power cycle. So, hold down the power button right here. Just give it a press.
Turning off.
Let go. It says turning off. The light is off. We'll let that light shut off here too in a second. That light's off. Now we'll go ahead. We'll just press the power button again. The lights are coming back on and we'll let it boot back up. Just heard it make a little click. We got our lights on. Startup music, lights are looking good. Simple and straightforward to power cycle and reboot your Roborock Saros Z70.